Hey everyone, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home of extremely easy-to-use Excel tools that help you work smarter, not harder. Today, I'm excited to show you a powerful solution that makes it incredibly simple to sort addresses by distance right inside Excel. If you've ever needed to figure out which locations are closest to a specific address, this Excel address sorting tool is going to be a game changer for you. Over the years, our tools have made life easier for more than 7,500 happy customers. These users come from all kinds of industries and backgrounds, all benefiting from the simplicity and efficiency our solutions bring to their daily work. Every week, we hear from users who tell us how much our tools have transformed their routines. What used to feel like overwhelming tasks are now quick and manageable, saving them hours of time and a lot of stress. But don't just take our word for it. Our customers have shared their experiences publicly too. With over 140 Google reviews, most of them 5 stars, you can see firsthand how thrilled people are to have found our tools. These reviews highlight the real-world value we provide, proving how much of a difference this kind of automation can make. Let's talk about the problem we're solving today. Imagine you have a target address. Maybe it's a customer's home, a delivery destination, or a service call location, and you need to quickly figure out which of your nearby locations or service providers are closest to that address. Whether you're working with full addresses or just zip codes, this tool has you covered. For this example, let's use the target address 33030 in Miami, Florida. Then let's set the radius to 35 miles. Then go to the first tab, which I've labeled as the Customers tab. Paste or enter the list of addresses that you want to sort and label them whatever you want. Once you've done that, click the Calculate button. The tool does all the heavy lifting for you. It calculates the distance from each contractor to the target address and instantly shows you who's closest. As you can see here, the tool neatly generates a list of customers from nearest to farthest, all within our 35-mile radius. One of the best parts is that the tool gives you both straight line distances and driving distances, so you can choose whichever metric fits your needs. It really is that easy. If this sounds like something that could simplify your workflow, you can download the Excel address sorting tool using the link in the description. And if you have any specific needs or want to customize the tool to better fit your business, we'd love to help. Our phone number and email are listed right in the description. And you can also reach out to us directly through live chat on our website. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Until next time, happy calculating.